here. So, what are you doing, Jujubi?
I'm writing some kind of...
Can you look at Mama?
I'm writing some kind of thing for Daddy. It says, Julia, love you, Daddy. I will miss you.
Can you do some message to Daddy? Happy Daddy's Day.
Happy Daddy's Day.
Hey, look at the camera.
Happy Daddy's Day.
Is he the best?
Yeah.
He's the best daddy?
Yeah.
Why do you love him so much?
Because he's a part of my family.
What do you do for him? What does he do for you?
Take shower with me. And that's it.
That's it?
This is a flagpole, you know.
Okay, let's ask Sissy then. Stop.
Stop.
What are you doing? Stop.
No. I write a keychain, and I write Happy Daddy's Day in bubble letter, and then I have all these little comments.
Any message today for the special day?
Since we're in Japan, stay strong.
Why you love Daddy so much?
Because he plays with me and stuff.
Like what?
Like sometimes in the pool and yeah, stuff like that.
Okay. Can you say
Huh? Love you, Daddy.
Can you say love you, Daddy?
Love you, Daddy. Mwah. Miss you.